he sleeps with his flute in his belt. He eats with it. He walks with it. I don't know, maybe bathing with it too. He holds it in his hand because Krishna doesn't have to do anything when he bathes. So he just holds it like this so it doesn't get wet. And then the gopas do all the rest. And it says in Govinda Lilamrita, there's some young Sakhis there too at the time of bathing. And Mother Yashoda says, oh, they're just young, they're just little girls. It's okay. They can bathe my Lala. So those little girls are like, Tulsi Manjari and Rupa Manjari. All the Manjaris also get to go to Nandagram in the morning for different purposes. To serve Krishna on behalf of Radharani. They're bathing Krishna and also to collect the latest Dainik Jagaran. Dainik Jagaran means the morning news. Good morning news. So they get the news and then they go and speak to Radharani and Parsana before she comes to Nandagram to cook for Krishna.